Alright, so today we're going to start doing subtraction again. Remember, stopping the algorithm, working top to bottom, left to right, important to non-important, and not doing any of that carrying anymore. So today we're going to work a lot on 9, 9, 10 as a method for seeing how to subtract quickly using the Darby method, and also looking at how we used to do things. So here we go once again. If you had a number like 503 and you were subtracting 327. Now those of us that know how to do this in their head wouldn't do it this way, but those of us who don't go, okay, I have to make that a 13, which means I have to take away from 0, but I can't take away from 0, so I have to take away from 5 first and make that a 4, which makes that a 10. It's not a 10, it's a 9. So now I can go 13 minus 7 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 4 minus 3 is 1. We all do it this way, and none of us are happy about it. So let's look at it once again. Change the color here. And the new way is thinking and understanding negative numbers. And just saying 500 minus 300 is 200. I can't take 2 from 0. So how far away is that? Well, it means I'm down 20 bucks. And I can't take 7 from 3. How far away is that? 4. Now the nice thing is when I say how far away, it's a difference. So all we looked at is the difference in 3 and 5 is 2. It's positive this time because I had more up here. The difference in 2 and 0 is 2. But it's negative this time because I didn't have it at the top. And the difference in 7 and 3 is 4. The great thing is differences. When you say story problems, difference means subtract. So 500 minus 300, 200. 0 minus 2, minus 20. 3 minus 7, minus 4. 200 minus 20 is 180. Minus 4, 176. Pretty cool, and that your mind can do that. Now if we did it the Darby way, Darby's my beautiful daughter, by the way, then she would see 500s like this, and then 3 little guys right here. And if we were going to subtract 327, she'd say there's 100, there's 200, there's 300, and then I have to take away 27 from this guy. So 100 minus 27, remember this is where we can use the idea of 9, 9, 10. Let's make those equal 9, 7, make those equal 10, 3. So that means I have 73 left in this one. So my daughter then says it's now an adding problem. 103 of those and 73 of those. 176. I know people think, why would we want to try and do a new way? This is what we know, this is what works, but the problem is it doesn't help you later on. And either of these help you with the whole concept of numbers and help you apply it in brand new ways. So let's look at 9, 9, 10 again. So 9, 9, 10 is just a means for you to always be able to quickly subtract anything from one of those Darby methods. So 10,000 minus 4,831, 9, 9, 9, 10. So 4 plus 5, 8 plus 1, 3 plus 6, and 1 plus 9. And if we add those up, you get 9,990, and then 10 more makes that up to 10,000. We'll go real big this time so everybody can see that it works no matter how big you get. 1 million. And we're going to subtract this time 503,786. A lot of people be like, oh, scratch 9, 10, 9, 9, do both, and play the game. Instead of playing the game, just do it this way. 4, 0 plus 9, 3 plus 6, 7 plus 2, 8 plus 1, and 6 plus 4. And there's your answer. And that's the 9, 9, 10. And that's the start of changing the way that we do subtraction so that it makes sense and makes us happy when we get up to the bigger ones. Thanks a lot for coming. I hope you learned something. Bye.